Hi, Andy. It's Amanda. I was just checking in with you. It's been a couple of months, and I just did a quick audit of your internet presence just to kind of see how things are going for you. And I don't know if you're aware or not, but your it looks like your Google business page here has actually deranked 3 spots. So you were in seventh, and now you're in the 10th position. Um, Obviously, definitely some optimizations that can be done to not only boost it back to where it was, but higher. Um, then I went ahead and I took a look at your website. It doesn't look like any of the changes were, any of the changes that have been made or anything. It looks like it's all just pretty much the same. So I did run the numbers to kind of see where you were standing, and it looks like you've had a progressional downslide. As you can see here, obviously the average for today, 7 days a month, and it's just continuing to go down. So obviously that's not what you want to be happening to your website. Now I went ahead again and pulled your number one competitor, and this is what they've got going on. It looks like they're on an increase, and they're running about 888 traffic volume a month. Um, your site, unfortunately, is not bringing in any traffic currently. And another thing that I noticed that I wanted to make you aware of in case you weren't, because I don't know if you're advertising on Yelp or if that's where you're getting your leads or whatnot. But there was a really critical and borderline nasty review left beginning of April. And my best suggestion would be to potentially contact this person and maybe speak with them, or see if they would consider taking this down, because this is pretty in depth and pretty vulgar, saying that your company's on the list of losers and all of this thing. It's just one review. I get that, but it's the most recent one. It's very in depth, and it's the first thing that people are going to see. So if you are getting your leads and counting on business from Yelp, this is going to be detrimental. So obviously, in looking at the numbers, you're not getting your business from Google. So if that is your primary source, I would definitely address that. Um, I just wanted to also explain to you something. So with SEO, when you are building up your business page, optimizing it to the best of its ability, adding citations, geotagged pictures, all of these stuff to build your rank to get you up into one of those top 3 spots that are seen upon the search results, where 30% of your business comes from. That's really important in growing your business. And then, of course, with the organic listings, where your site is being 70% of where your business is pulled from, um, obviously making the website the most crucial factor, right? So, um, I just wanted to explain to you and let you know that your website is an asset, so it's digital real estate. So investing and putting the time, effort, obviously, processes and money into your site has far more of a return than getting leads from any other source. And the reason for that is not only because the leads aren't being sold, the people that contact you and come to your site are people searching on Google, right? So the leads are not multiplied to, a ton of businesses, number one. Number two, again, like I was saying, you're investing in your own piece of real estate. Um, and essentially investing in your business for the longevity. So I just wanted to definitely put that out there and just make sure that that part was understood, because some people think, oh, I'll just get a ton of leads from Yelp, Home Advisor, Angie, Thumbtack, whatever the case may be, and you may get a lot of leads at the beginning. That does then phase out, for one. For two, on average, all of those companies are taking all of the leads that come in and they're selling them on average. Minimum is 4 and up to 10 different times. So you're competing with all of those companies that also get those leads, right? Where, again, all of the traffic that's coming into your Google business page and then your website from Google are direct results. So people picking up their phone, getting on the computer, whatever the case may be, searching for the services, finding your website, finding your Google business page, going to that, and then contacting you. That's a one-to-one. So that means one person is getting on, searching for your services, finds your site, contacts you. It's to one company, right? So I just wanted to throw that out there and, explain the importance of, why your website and your Google business page are the two, heaviest factors in not only growing your business but growing your empire. Because again, like I was saying, you own this site. You own this real estate. You own the footprint that it leaves on Google. So, you know what, I hope that explains things better, and I hope that helps, and would certainly love to hear from you. I'm sure you guys are busy right now. It's, yeah, obviously the time for landscaping. Totally get it. But it was a blink of an eye till summer was here, and it's only going to be a blink of an eye until winter's here, right? So, with that being said, you want to have as much traffic, leads, exposure, and ideas to keep you afloat through the winter. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch it, and would love to hear from you.